honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm tired. Me and Walter just got home. We've been out all day. But anyway, I'm getting ready to make some air fryer chicken legs. So I'm going to wash them. I'm going to marinate them with my yellow mustard and my seasoning blend. Then I'm going to bread them with some of this new stuff I bought. Got this from Jewel Food Stores. It's called Tasty Delite Seasoned Coating Mix, and this is the Cajun style. So, I'm going to wash this chicken and I'll be back. Okay, I just rinsed my chicken legs off. I drained the water off, and now I'm patting them as dry as possible before I put anything on them. That's the key to nice crispy chicken. Sop up the water in the bottom of the bowl. Okay. I can't see nothing I'm doing. Okay, it's dry. Okay. Let's keep a bag here for trash. Open this with one hand. I think I'm gonna use the rest of this mustard. Regular yellow mustard. And the chicken will not taste like mustard. It's a nice swig. Okay, I have to wash that off. This much mustard. I'm going to season it with some of my special seasoning blend. And smush it. Let me get over here. Okay, got this glove on. So I don't want the chicken contaminating me, and I don't want to contaminate the chicken. I stuck a staple through my index finger, so I won't handle food with a little cut or nothing like that. Chicken will not taste like mustard. If you don't like mustard, you would like the mustard marinade, because you're not going to taste the mustard. It has stuff in it that seasons well. Okay. Each piece is seasoned. I'm not letting it sit because I need to cook this now. Let's come over here. Oh, now you on this side. We got a two-way kitchen. Okay, let me take this off. This glove, throw it away. When you gonna put these dishes up, dude? When? When I wash, I put up. Well, I'm supposed to put them up. Let me dry this counter off before you put stuff up here.
I have to get over there and get something too.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Plug this in. So it can be preheating. Where's that?
Hooked up together.
What you trying to do?
Then I plug this in?
The can opener? The 3-prong one is for the big
Yeah, I
oven.
know now.
Okay, I'm gonna preheat this Cosori air fryer. This one here. We're gonna preheat. Oh, start. And I'm going to prepare my. Oh man! This is my breader shaker bowl. That's what I put my breading in. The lid, this little cagey thing, and the bowl. So you pour the breading in the bowl. I'll leave a link for the breader shaker bowl in my description box. I'm going to taste this. Oh, this is spicy. Get this off of here. There's that much water in it?
No, that's what I got.
Oh. You can see the red pepper in it. Tastes good. So, put it in here. Not using the whole thing because I might not need it all. How many legs you want? 2 or 3? 2? I just want 3.
I take 3.
You ain't gonna eat 3, and you know it. No, you do nothing but let it sit there. And I know it. And you know it. Okay, I'm gonna shake this. Time using this. Oh wow. I thought this would be nice and golden brown because look at the color of it now. Look at his legs. They're gonna be too hot for you. You're gonna be crying. Because I like the hot stuff. So you don't want none. You just want one, right? No. Shake off the excess, put it in the fry basket. The fry basket is hot, so I'm watching my wrist so I don't touch it. How many more? Let's see. Put 2 more in here. Shake it up. Yep. This bowl. I used to use a Ziploc bag to shake my chicken in, to bread my chicken. But I like the bowl. Let's see.
See if I can call that.
Throw the legs in this bowl. I always sanitize my dishes and my sink after I handle chicken. I use a solution of bleach and dishwashing liquid. I'll do that later. In case y'all wondering if I'm spreading chicken juice and stuff all around. I'll be using my Evo oil sprayer and have olive oil in here. I'm going to spray it. So I'm thinking that these legs are going to be kind of dark because they're starting out kind of dark. Let me show you how this looks. That's how it looks. They already look done. Stop that. And I'm putting it on the chicken. I'm pressing the chicken icon, chicken leg. So that's 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And I don't plan on turning these legs over. Okay, started. And I want to show y'all this rolling countertop tray that I have my air fryer on. So I can roll it out from the wall so that all that hot air is not blowing on my paint. Okay. I will be back. Like I said, I don't plan on turning my chicken over. He always fix sides with his food. I don't. I'm gonna make me some chicken dogs. Maybe I'll make me a nice salad. Okay, I'll be back, y'all. Hey, Walter's boneless pork chops. He talking about he want 3 chicken legs. And he got some creamed corn.
Yeah.
He fixed everything in the oven.
I just want to call you and wish you happy birthday.
I've had 4 more minutes.
Enjoy your night, your day.
Okay, well, it's looking.
I will talk with you later.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna check my chicken. I'm gonna use my meat thermometer because I mainly do wings. I don't do legs, so I have to test to see if they're done or not. Usually my chicken ain't dark brown like this. It's usually golden brown, but it started out dark brown. Y'all see what I'm doing?
You got a package.
Okay. Is it my name on it?
I didn't see. I couldn't see it.
Because the kids been getting their stuff coming here. Yeah. It's good and done. 193. I want it at least 165. Put it in there without touching the bone. Little one. It's done. So I'm just gonna wash the tip off of this. This kind of meat thermometer I have. It's done. He cooking all this food, talking about he gonna make some mashed potatoes also. The brown on both sides. I didn't turn it over. Ouch. That's a big one. I want this one. I'll just get 2 for now. That's probably all I need. These are my drumsticks. Put it back in here. Turn this off. And I always unplug my appliances like this. get his. This is my plate. Let me show y'all. Okay, here's my plate. I'll probably get another chicken leg. My salad. This is what I use to bread it with. It's the tasty Delite Cajun style seasoned coating mix. Okay. Let me taste it. Okay, this is a chicken dog. Take your piece of white bread. My grandmama used to say light bread. Wrap it around that chicken leg. It's piping hot. Oh, I showed it. It's brown on both sides, and I didn't flip it. Trying to see. Need the skin. What's crispy? I'm dropping stuff all over the floor. Because I got to clean it up. Just getting some skin right now. Good. Good. Good, good, good. Yum, yum. Says no MSG, no GMO. The sodium level is 395 milligrams. Okay. No cholesterol, trans fat, no sugar. Okay. The sodium level is lower than some breading coating mixes. It sure is good. So, this is some good stuff. And it's spicy, but it's not going to have nobody crying. Okay? Very good. So I want to thank you all for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Okay. Bon appetit. Bye.